train in rail world. D-U-C-K, the train that runs on water. Huh? Huh.
Huh? Oh.
Hello, Kay. How are you today?
Huh? Hello, Duck. You know, Kay is always okay.
Doss, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, I guess so.
It's our chance to steal the energy balls.
To free Rail World from worry.
To bring Master X's glory.
Here we come.
Brainy Moss.
Dandy Doss.
Speedy Duke.
The Invisible X Family.
As you know, Duck, I'm the fastest train in Rail Watch.
And I'm the fastest train on water.
Huh? Oh, hello. What's happening?
Oh no, can you do something?
Huh? Atto!
Oh no, Kay!
The energy balls!
Stop!
Moss, Doss, we gotta get out of here!
Kay, the energy balls.
Huh?
Kay, is everything okay?
The energy balls are going down too deep. They're sinking to the bottom. I can't hold my breath for so long. We need help.
Another beautiful day in Sunnyland, Gary.
It sure is, Jeannie.
Oh?
Jeannie, Moss and Doss have stolen the energy balls.
Oh, no! That doesn't sound good.
Don't worry, Duck. We are on our way.
Thank you, Jeannie and Gary. I knew we could depend on you. See you soon.
Those mischievous robot trains, Moss and Doss, are always after the energy balls. They never stop, do they, Gary?
They certainly don't, Jeannie. Come on, we better get to Waterland and see what all the trouble is about.
Oh. Huh?
Oh, thanks so much for coming so quickly, Gary and Jeannie.
No worries, Duck. We are always happy to help.
Hello, Jeannie. Hello, Gary.
We gotta get those energy balls back right away. They're needed to power Rail World and keep the balance between the different energies. Any idea where Moss and Doss took the energy balls?
Lucky for us, Moss and Doss aren't the best thieves. Look, they dropped a trail of energy balls behind them. I've already tried to get them, but I can't hold my breath underwater for as long as I need to.
I have an idea. I was working on a special gadget to help us breathe underwater. It's my newest invention.
Wow, that's great, Jeannie.
Any chance that you have it with you?
The special underwater gadget is back at the watchtower. Let's head there now, Gary, and see if on the way we can gather the rest of the Rail Watch to help us.
Great plan, Jeannie.
Where are you going?
Moss and Doss have stolen the energy balls, which have ended up underwater. We need to get them back. Can you help us?
Stealing energy balls again? Maxie doesn't like that.
It would be great if you and Kay could find the others and meet us at Waterland.
You got it. Sorry, Railers. Maxie has to go now, but Jan will remain with you. Oh. Maxie will see you all again very soon.
Bye-bye, guys.
Moss and Doss have always been up to no good, but stealing the energy balls we need to power Rail World is the topper.
Thankfully, we have the best team ever, Rail Watch.
Look, speaking of the team, here comes some of them now.
Hi, Kay.
Hi, Victor.
And it's nice to see you too, Maxie. Where are you going?
Moss and Doss are back to their old tricks. They stole the water energy balls. Can you come help us?
No problem.
Sounds like a plan. We'll join you and take care of it.
Rail World is made up of Waterland, Sunnyland, Mountainland, and Windland. We're called Rail Watch. We take care and look after the railers who live in the different lands. We need to protect the energy balls which make all the lands work and keep them in balance. If it weren't for us, the energy balls would be stolen and none of the lands would work.
Thanks for getting here so quickly, Rail Watch. I shut down the power plant until we can get the energy balls back.
Great idea, Duck.
But do we need to get the balls out of the water? Maxie can't breathe underwater.
No robot train can, Maxie. What should we do now?
Genius Genie has the solution.
Yay! Jeannie and Gary are here. Oh.
Huh?
Well, back in the old days, we didn't have so many gadgets. Are you sure these'll work, Jeannie?
Don't worry, Gary. This gadget will let us breathe underwater.
I trust you, Jeannie.
Here, team, put these on. They are my new underwater breathing gadgets. I probably should come up with a better name.
Oh, wow! Great work! They fit perfectly.
These are so cool, Jeannie. You look funny, Elf.
So do you, Maxie. Ready for our first underwater adventure together, Rail Watch? We need to bring back as many energy balls as possible.
Ready, Kay!
All right, let's get wet.
Looks like we collected all the energy balls that Moss and Doss stole from the power plant.
Now let's put those balls back so we can turn on the energy ball tank.
You did it again, Rail Watch. The railers and myself can't thank you enough for your help.
The pleasure is all ours.
Looks like Rail Watch beat us again.
It was Moss's fault.
No, it was Doss's fault.
Moss, Doss, be quiet.
Sorry, Duke.
Don't worry.
Huh?
The Rail Watch may have beaten us this time, but they'll have to work even harder if they want to win. Sorry, Train X. We promise to be more careful with the energy balls next time. See that you are. I need as many energy balls as possible for my shadow energy.
What's shadow energy?
I have no idea.
Ugh.
You'll see. Very soon.